Good morning, Z Nation. This is the DailyXander number 115, coming at you at just around 9:45 in the morning on a Sunday. And right now, just taking out the trash, but waiting for my friend. We're actually gonna go for a run. We'll do some interval training, probably with some runs, and it's nice and sunny outside. So that's what we got going on for the next probably hour and a half or so, and enjoy the weather. For sure. Last night, ended up just watching a couple documentaries, biographical documentaries on Muhammad Ali and Mr. Bob Marley. And then from that, read a little bit of Dan Pena's book and then hit the hay. So, just trying to stay productive and put good content in the brain. So on that note, I'm going to get back to enjoying the rest of the day, my DailyXander 115. So catch you in the next update. More to follow. What is good? Back to the DailyXander number 115 in sunny Altamont Springs. I just got back probably about 40 minutes ago or so with a run with my friend. We ran about 2.5 miles or so. First mile was just kind of a warm-up, and then much after the first mile, we did at intervals of 30 seconds on and off, hardcore sprints. And then we pretty much just walked afterwards doing those 2.5 miles. So it was good. This is so nice outside. We just got done and we just wanted to keep enjoying the weather. So right now, I'm actually just working on some handstands. Just have a little time and take a shower, and then I'm gonna get picked up by some friends, and we're gonna go off to a client's house to enjoy everybody's company. And also fireworks later on too, possibly. So good time there. And I have my backpack with me, so when I get back from that, I can go straight to Starbucks and Whole Foods and get some work done, and yeah, go from there. So stay tuned, stay productive, and keep getting it in. I'll try and film a little of these handstands here too. So enjoy.
Blue and orange. Now?
Yeah.
I love that one. Now?
It's a one-man showdown.
That was a cool one.
That was a pretty one.
That was a pretty one.
No orange.
Oh.
But it was pretty.
Pink. Pink for you.
Yeah, it's all for you. No, just nobody hurt.
You tricked me.
Blue for me.
Yeah.
Brian and Jessica would love these.
Why are they orange?
No, my
Orange red.
Goes orange.
Purple for you.
Purple, okay.
Pink.
Who's that for?
Oh.
I think it's inside. I saw it inside.
No,
That was for
pink.
you. Pink was for you.
Yeah, purple was for you though. He looked at me. He said, "Purple for you. Purple's for Luke."
Yeah.
Red.
What is good, Z Nation? Back to the Daily Xander number 115. And as you can see, I really didn't do too much filming today, and that's okay. Sometimes that's what I end up doing for a day. But regardless, I'm still going to be consistent with filming at least some little thoughts for the day and just a little overview of what I did for the day. And even if I don't actually show it on camera, I'm going to at least recite it and stay consistent with my daily uploads, because I'm holding myself accountable to this project, and it'll carry over into other aspects that I come across in life, being accountable. So yeah, I'm what is it? It's probably like 10:15 or so at night. Just finished up a little work at Whole Foods. Was there from about 8 to almost 10. I'm back to my apartment real quick to get some things, and now I'm just heading to Starbucks to upload a couple daily Xanders and look into doing a little more research on a device I'm going to be using tomorrow at work. That's what I got going on. So I'm staying consistent. Good week ahead. Another week coming up, then another week down. So getting closer to a couple of those travels I have here coming up here pretty soon in Oklahoma City and also in Miami. So I'm looking forward to both of those, both of them I'm really looking forward to. And before I know it, they'll be here, and before I know it, it'll be the Europe trip, and we'll see what I can get in the works for some time in fall as far as trips. We'll see. The nice thing is I always have options. It's just a matter of having resources to fulfill those options or to make those options come to light. So yeah, just to sum up quick with my day, woke up, went for a run with a friend, both a jog and then an interval run workout, and then afterwards just went for a walk around one of the trails, led to a giant softball complex, and just caught up a little bit on work. And then I did a little handstand work, which you saw, and then L-sit work, which you saw, and some push-up work, which you saw. And then afterwards, I was pretty much gone from my place from 1 till about 8. And I was out in more of the countryside in a different county. I forget the name of the county. I even said it out loud too to some people. I believe it was close to the town Seminole. That's a place. I could be botching that name too, but it was north of here. Put that way, it's even past Sanford, so it's farther north than that. It's probably about an hour or so away from this part of Orlando that I'm at. We went to a client's house, and all I took for footage was just the fireworks, and it was briefly footage as my phone was running low on space to store video, so that goes sometimes. But yeah, nice night, good eats too. Healthy stuff, not so much, but good eats though. And yeah, so I'm just reaching my destination right now at the Starbucks. I'm gonna finish up some work and call it a night. So Daily Xander number 115 in the books. Pleasure as always, coming at you at peace, love, unity, and respect. Looking forward to the next installment. Stay tuned for it. And as always, keep it pithy and keep it focused. All right, catch you next installment. Good night.